smooth as you remember makes you fast.
I will try. You yell at me where you need to.
So about 3 to 5 car lengths behind the Lamborghini in front of us, and then pace him out onto the track.
Okay.
That's good. You can pick up pace a little bit. We'll stay nice and even with him. Now I'm going to show you about how far ahead I need you looking.
Okay.
And sometimes that means looking out my window or your window too.
Yep.
So don't be afraid to turn your head. So as we're approaching the tall orange cone here, if you look down where the Ferrari is and the Lamborghini, there's another orange cone. That's how far ahead I need you looking.
Okay, gotcha.
So as we approach it, you see the pointer cone laying down saying, look to the right.
Yep.
So as you approach it straight, look to the inside, green cone, now turn for it, look to the outside, orange cone. It tells you again, keep looking to the right, green cone, applying a little throttle as you come out of the corner, out to the little orange cone, then the big orange cone. And that's got a pointer on it as well.
That works.
It says look to the right, you see the green cone just over the grass, and then the next green cone on your side just over the grass. Up ahead, 3, 2, 1, then an orange cone. Swing out wide by the orange cone. There you go. Release the brake, look to the inside, green cone. Little acceleration as we come up towards it. Keep up with these guys.
Yep. Yeah, definitely comfortable on keeping up. Just trying to give him a little bit of space.
And back to the inside. Okay, he sees us. 458, can the GT3 take it also?
Am I good?
Yes, take the inside. That's it, accelerate up towards that orange cone. Back to the inside, sweep your eyes up the hill, green cone. That's it. Green cone on the inside, my side. Double orange cone, straight ahead, swing out wide by him. Stay out wide, look up ahead of the Lamborghini to the tall orange cone on the outside. This one you're going to have to look out your side window now, see the straightaway. Orange cone near the grass, accelerate out towards it. This is deception. This is the corner they talked about in classroom. Stay up by the orange cone on your side. He sees us. Stay up with him. He's going to let us pass here shortly. Down to the inside, look to my side, orange cone, stay up with him. Give it a little more gas. Look to the inside, stay up with him. Take the pass on my side. That's it. And brake hard. You got a 180-degree corner here, a hard brake. Turn your head, look out my window for the green cone. When you see it, start to straighten the wheel and apply the throttle. Look all the way down the straightaway. Bright orange cones on your side at the end of pit wall. There you go. Come on. Nice. And lift. Good. Look over the 4 marker. You'll see the orange cone coming up. Brakes. Go right towards the orange cone. Finish your braking in a straight line up to that cone. Start sweeping your eyes into the corner. A little bit of gas towards the orange cone. Keep the gas coming as we round the corner. Green cone. A little bit more gas out to the outside. Orange cone. Orange cone. That's it. Sweep your eyes across to the green cone. Keep us moving through the S-turn. Green cone up ahead. That's it. Orange cone up ahead. Swing out wide by the orange cone. Give me just a little brush of the brake. Release the brake. Look to the inside. A little bit of gas. Steady the car through the corner. You're doing good, man. Out to the outside. Orange cone. This is that hard right-hander. Hard brake. Hard brake. Hard brake. Turn your head. Look over here. There you go. See what happens when you look in the right place? You get better judgment. Outside, sweep your eyes inside, look up top of the hill, orange cone, my side. Sweep out wide, now look across the grass, green cone, apply throttle as you come up over the hill. That's it, nice and smooth on the gas, keep it going, up over the hill, my side. Double orange cone, straight ahead, swing it out wide, single orange cone. Stay off the red and the white part, but go up by that tall orange cone. Little brake, turn your head, look down the straightaway. Give it some gas as you come out of the corner, nice and smooth, out to the outside. Look to the green cone, lift off the gas, orange cone. You don't need to brake, just turn the wheel. Now give it a little gas, look to my side. Keep the gas going as we go up over the hill. That's it, keep it going, Out to that bright orange cone. Hard brakes, keep it straight. Hard brakes, keep it straight. Harder brake. Now turn your head, look all the way around out my window. Start applying the gas as you straighten the wheel out towards the outside. Come on, come on. You got it, you got it. Brakes. Look across the floor marker. Into the corner, out of the corner. Brakes. Keep them down. That's it. Sweep your eyes into the inside. A little bit of gas. Get you through the corner. Keep progressively pushing the gas as we come through the corner, down the straightaway. Look all the way down. All right, look across to the green cone. Keep us going. You're doing good, man. Keep it going. Orange cone, straight ahead. Sweep out. Now give me some good solid brakes. Look at the cone. Off the brakes. Turn the wheel. Look to my side. A little bit of gas. Get you through the corner. Come on. That's it. Out to the outside. Here's that hard right-hander. Hard brake. Brake. Harder. Harder. Turn your head. Look across the green cone. That's it. Back on the gas. Out to the outside. Sweep it out wide by the tall orange cone. Keep sweeping. Look to the inside. Now turn for it. Top of the hill. My side. Orange cone. That's it. Sweep your eyes up the hill. Green cone. Apply the throttle as you come over the hill. That's it. Keep it going. Keep it going. That's it. Keep it going. Up over the hill. Green cone. Double orange cones. That's it. Sweep it out wide. Nice. Glide on the brakes. Up to that bright orange cone. A little more brake. Turn your head. Look down the straightaway. Unwind the wheel out to the outside as you apply a little throttle. Ease off the throttle. Stay up by the orange cone. Turn the wheel towards the green. Keep looking to my side. A little bit of gas going down the hill. Keep it going as we go up the hill. Down the other side. Nice. Lift off. Brake, brake, brake. Go through the green cone straight ahead. Straight ahead. Yep. That is it.
Wrap it.
Yep. Bring it around to my side. Nice job, man.
God, there's just so much grip.
Yeah.
So much. Like, that's the biggest thing. It's like,
straight ahead.
Wiggle through here.
And then to the right.
Gotcha.
Yep.
I mean, it's